Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoominfo to HubSpot using the full 2026 integration setup. This integration brings your Zoominfo contacts, companies, and enriched data directly into HubSpot, which saves a ton of manual work and keeps your CRM clean and up to date. So first, open your browser, go to HubSpot.com, click Log In, and sign in to your account. Once the main dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. At the top of your screen, click the Marketplace icon and choose App Marketplace. Inside the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Zoominfo. You'll see the official Zoominfo integration appear in the results. Click it to open the integration details page, then click the Install App button. A new window will pop up asking you to sign in to your Zoominfo account. Enter your login information and continue. Zoominfo will now request permission to sync your data into HubSpot. This includes contacts, companies, enrichment fields, and activity. Click. Allow to approve the connection. Once the accounts are linked, you'll return to HubSpot to configure your sync settings. Choose which records you want to sync, contacts, companies, or both. You can also control deduplication rules to prevent duplicate contacts from being created. Then scroll down to the field mapping section. Here you can check how Zoominfo fields match with HubSpot properties. Make sure key fields like job title, phone number, company industry, employee size, and intent data map correctly to the right HubSpot fields. After reviewing your sync options, click the Turn on Sync button. HubSpot will now begin receiving enriched data directly from Zoominfo. Within a few minutes, your contacts and companies inside HubSpot will start updating with the latest verified info from Zoominfo, which is super helpful for sales outreach and marketing campaigns. And that's it. That's how to connect Zoominfo to HubSpot using the 2026 integration setup. Once activated, this integration keeps your CRM accurate, fresh, and fully enriched without any manual effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next